This is a USB-C hardwire kit for your Wolfbox dashcam. I got this kit because it's very easy to use and the installation instructions are easy to follow. Let's open up the bag so I can show you what's included with the purchase. The great thing about this product is that it connects directly to your fuse box. It will provide power to your dashcam even if your car is off. This comes in handy if your dashcam has a parking sentry mode. It will provide 24-hour coverage even when you're parked and the engine is off. The instruction manual was well written and contains a lot of useful information on how to install this onto your car. If you need additional help, the product page also has a lot of instructions with color photos. The connectors and wiring are color-coded, which simplifies the installation process. It also comes with 4 different fuse connector heads, including micro, mini, small, and medium fuses. Just connect the USB-C plug onto your dashcam, and then the red wiring to your cruise control and the yellow to your battery cord, and attach the black wire to your chassis or metal part. Before connecting wires to your fuse box, make sure that your engine is off and disconnect the negative terminal to your battery. This will decrease the chance of a spark or a short circuit. There's also a low voltage protection for your batteries, which will automatically cut off the power to the dashcam when it detects that the 12-volt battery is too low. I like using this hard wiring kit, and it gives my dashcam installation a professional look, and I don't have wires dangling all over the place. It also frees up my car charging port so I can use other devices in it. Before ordering this product, make sure you read the product description to make sure that your dashcam is supported.